We're on our way to our first farm, Otterburn Maple Farm. I'm super excited to see how fresh maple syrup is made and get inspired for our first visit on the rocks. Are you guys ready?
It's just how we process it. So you can use it as icing on toast or dip apples in it. It's very, very popular for that.
I don't know, this tastes so good.
Yeah.
I felt like these guys taught me so much, and I wanted to give back in the best way I could by sharing my food with their family. All right, I have a treat here for these guys.
I'm enjoying the fire splatter.
Yeah, you have.
Okay. In the backyard. Yeah.
And wrap it up. Now for the moment of truth.